Let's take a look at First Republic.
Now the attention is shifted to Credit Suisse.
Moral hazard.
With all of the news that has ensued around the banking turmoil right now, one phrase that has re-entered into the chat is moral hazard. Moral hazard is essentially when one person or entity takes on an activity or a heightened or elevated risk, but they know that they're going to be covered by another person or entity that's really going to be their safety net at the end of the day. I know that I've bought some LL Bean boots in the past. I've got the receipts for it. And I knew that their policy would also allow for me to return those boots if those boots did not hold up to my standards for use. Now, those standards for use is where it gets a little bit tricky, because what if my standards for use were, I don't know, walking across a hotbed of coals and then deciding to go fly fishing with my waders on but wearing my LL Bean boots? Now water's getting into those boots because, yeah, the rubber at the bottom probably a little burned. And so I go back to LL Bean and I say, hey, you guys need to load me up with a new pair of these boots and you can take these old ones back because this didn't hold up to my standard. My moral hazard has already been exhibited because I walked across a hotbed of coals knowing that I was about to go fly fishing, knowing that, yeah, science probably doesn't hold up for rubber doing well on any burning surface, especially a hotbed of coals. And so I already displayed the moral hazard, but I leaned into my safety net, which was LL Bean, knowing that they would cover me and just give me a brand new pair of boots. And so now that moral hazard, if applied to banks in either their lending practices or risky investments that they've taken on, knowing that their backstop could either be a bailout federally or by some other bank making an acquisitive deal or giving them an injection of capital, that moral hazard has already been exemplified. So now it's just a matter of what the policy is on the back end or the safety net that they're going to lean into.